I'm on page 191 of our Osborne book, Sorting, Checking and Importing Data, Stage 3. In this stage, we'll use the Save As facility within the spreadsheet package to allow us to take an existing worksheet and export it to produce a number of text files. It could be in the form of TXT, which is text, Notepad, CSV, comma separated value within Excel, or even a PDF. To do this exercise, you're going to need T5 export. Should look like the one in my screen. We're going to open this up and we're going to save it as a tab delimited file. So I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to click here on the drop down and I'm going to select Tab Delimited Text File. I'm going to save it with the name T5 Text and then save. You may get a message come up saying some features in your workbook might be lost if you save it as a tab delimited file. Normally you don't, but in this case we will just say yes to that. Now you could either go and open up Notepad and then go File Open, or go to the place where you saved your file and we can look at it that way. I'm going to go to where I saved it. Now you'll see that the file is here. If you look, this is a Word document and this is an Excel document. We know this because there's a W and there's an Excel symbol. But if we look here, there is no symbol. That's telling you it's a text file. If you're unsure, you can also look here where it will tell you what files you have. When I double click to open it, you'll be able to see that it opens up in Notepad, and I'll do that now by double clicking. And there you have it, the text file and the file. We're now going to reopen T5 Export and we're going to learn to save it as a CSV document. So we want to go back to Excel. And I'm now going to do exactly the same steps, but this time I'm going to choose comma separated value layout, which is a comma delimited file. So I'm going to go File, Save As, go to the drop down, and I'm going to call it comma separated value. This time I'm going to call it T5 CSV and save. If you go back to the folder, you'll see how it looks. Again, you may get the value. That's because we're taking it from a spreadsheet and converting it to a text file. We're just going to say yes to that. And we're going to go to our folder. And here you have it, T5 CSV. You'll notice that it doesn't look like an Excel file. This is because it's not in the same form of Excel. It's a text file. We're going to go back to our Excel file and we're going to basically now export it to PDF. So I'm going to do exactly the same steps again. File, Save As, drop down, and I'm going to select PDF. This time I'm going to call my file T5 Export. And I'm going to check it in my folder. And there we have it, T5 Export PDF. And stage 3 is now complete.